Friday Flyers.
It's January 31st, 2020. I'm Wes Barlow.
And I'm Callie Matlock.
As most of you know, this week is Catholic Schools Week.
From getting a new bishop to an all-schools mass, this has been a week full of celebrating our amazing Catholic schools.
Here's Marguerite Papa to break down the week for us.
This week, not only at Loyola, but all across the nation was Catholic Schools Week. It was full of activities and highlighted by the All-Schools Mass on Wednesday.
We are so excited. We're at the end of Catholic Schools Week and had a wonderful week. On Thursday, we celebrated our wonderful priest and religious. We had many around the campus who came to share with students in the classroom things that they do in their everyday lives and what's part of their vocation. And we also celebrated our teachers and the success they make at Loyola by a luncheon sponsored by the Parents Association. Then on Friday, we had wonderful speakers from Oklahoma. And as you know, it was a wonderful success and really enjoyed their company here with us. I would like to at this time just really thank Maureen O'Neill, Allison Cook, and Tanya Wellman. They're the members of the committee from the Parents Association who made this possible through their resources, their time, efforts, money, everything that needs to come together for something like this. So thank you so much, Parents Association.
The highlight of the week had to have been the ordination and then the first Mass with our new Bishop, Francis Malone. That is something very special and unique that we don't often as a Catholic community get to experience, the ordination of a new bishop. As far as what makes the entire week special, I think it has to be the sense of community that comes about through the celebration of our faith and having the faith be the focus of the week. That creates an atmosphere of charity and excitement and something that we can all share in and participate in.
Thanks to everyone who made this Catholic Schools Week go by so smoothly. This has been Marguerite Papa reporting.
Thanks, Marguerite, and thank you to the Religion Department for putting on a successful Catholic Schools Week.
Loyola offers a diverse selection of clubs and sports to participate in, but one of the newer additions is mock trial.
Our mock trial team stays after school every Tuesday to prepare for Saturday mornings at the courthouse.
Troy Mosley tells us more.
This weekend, some of our students will be participating in the mock trial February 1st, and along with some other schools. Let's talk to Coach Langino for more information.
I'm very excited that our students will be competing in the regional mock trial tournament. It will be held this Saturday starting at 8 o'clock at the United States District Courthouse, the Tom Stagg Federal Courthouse in downtown Shreveport. If you'd like to come watch, it's open to the general public. The students have shown a lot of growth this semester as they've worked on the mock trial problem. They've had to learn how to do direct and cross examinations, how to role play witnesses, how to give opening statements and closing arguments. The case this year involves one of simple robbery. It was drafted by the mock trial team at University of Louisiana Monroe. And the tournament itself is sponsored by the Louisiana State Bar Association. It's an opportunity for students to interact with lawyers in the local legal community and to show off their skills. The schools that will be competing this weekend include Caddo Magnet, Huntington, and also West Monroe. We have 3 teams that are entered in the event, and we look forward to a really strong showing.
Thank you, Coach, for all the insight about this weekend's mock trial, and good luck to all the students participating. This has been Troy Mosley.
Thanks, Troy, and good luck to our future lawyers in your upcoming competitions.
Speaking of competitions, the biggest football game of the year will happen on Sunday when the San Francisco 49ers and the Kansas City Chiefs battle it out for this year's Super Bowl.
Lauren Lindsay has the details.
You know what this Sunday is, Super Bowl Sunday. The San Francisco 49ers and Kansas City Chiefs are going head-to-head for the Super Bowl title. Let's see which team our students think will win.
I think the Chiefs are going to win because Patrick Mahomes is the second best quarterback in the NFL.
I hope the Chiefs win because I have family in Kansas. I'm excited for the Super Bowl and go Saints. I'm excited for them to play. So.
I think the 49ers will win because they got the best kicker in the league, Robbie Gould.
I think the Chiefs will win by like 10. I think the score will be 28-17.
I don't really know which teams are playing in it, but whatever team Ellis Tompkins is on is going to win.
Honestly, I think the Chiefs are going to win the Super Bowl because, I mean, have you ever played Madden? Patrick Mahomes is a dog.
I don't even know who's playing.
I think the Chiefs are going to win because Patrick Mahomes is a cheat code and, Tyreek Hill is just the fastest human ever.
I'm so excited to watch Joe Burrow.
Hopefully it'll be a good game, but we'll see what happens Sunday. This has been Lauren Lindsay.
Here's Julia Smith with the rest of this week's sports.
It's been a big week in soccer. The boys played Bossier Monday night and won 4-2. With the win, they became the district champs for the 5th year in a row. In the second half, with the score tied 2-2, Bruno Palmieri and Peter Vancherry each scored goals to put the game away for the Flyers.
We're very excited about the district championship that we won. We played Bossier, and they always give us a tough game every year. It's very heated, and the fans were great. We loved having the huge crowd out there, and it definitely motivated us to get the win. And we're hoping to have home games in the playoffs so that we can have our crowd cheering us on.
The boys continued their great success with a 4-1 win over Captain Shreve last night and marked their 20th win of the season. The boys soccer team also plays tonight at 6 against Natchitoches Central for senior night. The girls soccer team suffered a tough 2-1 loss to Byrd Wednesday night. Callie Matlock had the only goal for the Flyers. The girls are still ranked number 1 in Division III and will be on the road to play Turlings in Lafayette on Saturday. The lacrosse team was in a tournament in Texas this weekend and will be at home for a game on Saturday at Mesmer Stadium.
Hey, lacrosse has a game this weekend at Mesmer. JV will play at 12 and varsity at 2 against Cumberland Academy, a team out of Tyler, Texas. And then we have a very big in-state game next weekend at Mesmer versus St. Thomas More, varsity at 5 and JV at 3.
And don't forget girls and boys basketball tonight in the Flyer Gym against Green Oaks.
Thanks, Julia, and congratulations to all of our sports teams.
That's all for this week's rundown.
But before we go, here's an inside look from last week's close-up, brought to you by Kennedy Carter.